guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm uploading this video to my dad's channel. So you're gonna see in this video how to redeem a Apple gift card or fix the problem that the purchase was unsuccessful. So now you're seeing me and dad going to the game store buying an Apple gift card. And if you want, and please guys, make sure to like and subscribe and press that bell and put it to all so you don't miss another notifications. We're road to 2,000 subscribers. We would appreciate your love and support. And now we're gonna buy the gift card. So yeah, I am just looking around the game store. And now I'm gonna grab it, and now we're gonna go and pay.
Hola. ¿Este te va a llevar? ¿Sois socios de la tienda? ¿Tenéis tarjeta de socios?
No,
Tu cuenta de Apple es española, ¿verdad? Creada aquí en España.
ya aprendí español, sí.
Tienes que con el lápiz confirmar por aquí, coge. Estás comprando una tarjeta de iTunes de 15, ¿vale? Esto no se puede devolver ni cambiar, le das clic ahí solamente con el lapicillo, ¿vale?
Vale.
Ahí perfecto, pues 15 euros.
Vale.
Y le das el ticket.
Gracias a ti.
Okay guys, me and my dad got the gift card. Now we're gonna show you how to redeem it. Alright, here I'm gonna explain you. So here it is, App Store and iTunes. And if you want to redeem it, you can go to appstore.com/redeem. And if you want help, go to support.apple.com/gift card. I'll leave those in the link description. And here's the gift card. I'm gonna open it. So this is how it's made. And that's the code bar where you have to enter the code manually. And that's where you place the Apple gift card. That's where you put it in. Alright, I am just putting in the Apple gift card. If you want a free case, that's what you put it in. And there where you enter the information to where you're gonna send it. And you can take it out very easily. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to scratch a penny. And so basically, I'm not gonna talk, but my Apple gift card had a problem. It worked at redeeming the code, but it didn't work at making purchases. So I hope you enjoyed this clip of me talking with them.
Departamento de iTunes y App Store, que se encarga de ver qué es lo que está pasando y de ayudarte. ¿Vale?
Vale.
Venga, ahora, bueno, ya lo que te digo. Espero que te ayuden, seguro que sí.
Vale.
Hasta luego.
Hello.
Calling Apple support. My name is Leon. How can I help you?
Hi. There's a problem in my Apple gift card. So basically, I redeemed it. Now, when I go purchase something, it just says an error, saying that the payment was not successful.
Payment was not successful. Okay. Well, what are you trying to purchase right now?
I was trying to purchase a premium membership at a game called Roblox.
Okay, and it's not letting you do the purchasing, and it's saying the error message with payment was unsuccessful.
Yeah.
I understand. Well, then nothing to worry about. I'll give it a look right now, try to see exactly what's going on here so I can try to help you right away. No worries.
Okay.
Now, if you don't mind, can you try to provide me with your name first of all?
Adam.
Nice to meet you, Adam. My name is Danea, and Adam, just try to provide me with your Apple ID email address, please.
Okay. ADAM dot ESS
Okay.
A
All right.
K H E 16
Yep.
at gmail.com.
At gmail.com. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for that, Adam. And let me ask, are you the account holder for this Apple ID?
Yes.
Perfect. Alright, here's what I will need you to do right now. Can you try to open Google Chrome or Safari on your device right now?
I have Safari.
Okay, perfect. When you open Safari, I will need you to open a website which is called Apple ID.
Apple ID
.apple.com.
dot Apple. Okay.
Okay. Now, Adam, when you try to open the website, do you see a girl holding an iPhone and the Apple Watch on the screen?
Yeah, it says that I have to log in with my account.
You got that right. Try to do so, please.
Okay, I'm gonna log in.
Take your time, don't worry.
Alright, I'm logged in.
Okay, now I will just need you to scroll down to the bottom where
Yeah.
you see support pin and click on it, please.
Where?
Support pin at the bottom.
Oh, support pin. Okay.
Now, when you try to open support pin and generate it, try to provide me with a 4-digit support pin, please.
Okay, generate pin. 36
Yep.
33.
So 36.
What?
Can you repeat the last two numbers again?
3.
Right away, no worries.
Okay.
Regarding the purchase,
Yes.
have you ever spoken with us before regarding this situation, or is this the first time?
No, I spoke with the last guy who spoke Spanish, and he said he will pass me to your department.
Right. Well, when did you speak with the other advisor that spoke Spanish? Can you remember the day or the hour?
It was like 9:53.
A few minutes ago. I understand.
I was talking with him for like 17 minutes.
Right, I understand. Okay. Alright, just bear with me for a second here.
Okay.
Okay. So you have already redeemed. There is nothing wrong with the redeeming part. And you
No.
are trying to purchase something inside the Roblox. But basically it's not allowing you, saying that the transaction was unsuccessful.
Yeah.
I understand. Usually that happens because it's trying to protect you, thinking that it's perhaps somebody else that is trying to do this purchase without your authorization. So that's what is happening in this situation. But Adam, if you don't mind, just give me like 1 or 2 minutes. I can give it a look once again, and I'll try to do something right away, okay?
Okay.
So just stay on the line for 1 or 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Thank you.
Okay.
Patient here. Now, Adam, let me tell you exactly what's going to happen right now. For this
Okay.
situation, there is nothing to worry about. The reason why you're getting, why you're not being able to purchase right now is basically for security reasons, like I
Yeah.
said. And we have done something right now that within 24 hours, because the case will be reviewed once again, and within 24 hours you will be able to purchase what we're trying to do right now. But you will have to wait a period of within 24 hours, okay? After
Okay.
that, you should be like normally. Just wait patiently for, let's say, 12 or 18 hours, and after that, you will be able to purchase with no worries, okay?
Okay.
Are we clear regarding this situation?
What?
Are you clear of this situation right now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Just in case, Adam, I'll send you an article regarding this kind of situation, so you can read it and you will understand exactly what is happening right now.
Okay.
No worries. Now, Adam, is there anything else I can do for you right now?
No.
Okay, perfect. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and wish you all the best. Bye.
Okay. Bye. So basically, the security is trying to prevent you, or it's just it's just like broken. And so basically I had to wait 24 hours because they said that. So now what you're looking at is that me buying a membership for 10 euros and 99 cents. And now I am just typing in my password. Nobody can see it. And then it gives you this permission. So you just press confirm and it will say perfect, all done. So then your purchase is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share again. See you all in the next video. Bye.